Why you feel broke even when you're trying. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever opened your bank app, looked at the balance, and thought, bro, where did my money even go? You didn't buy anything crazy. No iPhone upgrade, no luxury clothes, no wild vacations, yet somehow it's gone. And what's worse, you feel guilty, not informed. You blame yourself, not the system. You think, I'm just bad with money. I used to think that too, until I realized something no one tells you. Financial literacy isn't about being smart. It's about tiny habits you repeat when no one is watching. And if you're between 16 and 25, you're not late. You're actually early. Most adults don't wake up financially until debt traps them, stress owns them, or life forces them to learn the hard way. You get to build this before damage happens. So today, I'm not giving you get-rich-quick nonsense, complicated investing lectures, or boring finance class energy. This is real life. 8 tiny habits that don't feel powerful until one day they completely change your future. Stick with me till the end, because habit number 7 is the one I wish someone slapped into my head at 17. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. Track one number daily, not your whole budget. Let me say something controversial. You don't need a budget app. You don't need spreadsheets. You don't need categories, graphs, or color coding. Most students quit budgeting because it feels like homework. So here's the tiny habit. Track one number per day. That's it, just one. What number? Your daily spending total. Not where it went, not why you spent it, just the total. $4, $12, $0, $37. Write it in. Notes app, WhatsApp message to yourself, Google Keep, a physical notebook. Why this works? Your brain hates friction. The easier the habit, the longer it survives. And something weird happens after 7 to 10 days. You start pausing before spending, not because you're disciplined, but because awareness kicks in. You'll think, do I really want to add another $6 to today's number? That pause is power. That pause is literacy. Mini cliffhanger. In the next habit, I'll show you why saving money without a reason actually fails. Habit number 2. Give every dollar a job, even if it's a small one. Most people save money like this. I'll just save whatever's left, which usually means nothing is left. So here's the tiny shift. Every dollar needs a job. Not a big job, not a forever job, just a job. Examples, this $10 is emergency backup. This $5 is future me. This $20 is guilt-free fun. Yes, fun is a job. If you don't assign money for fun, you'll steal from savings later. And then you'll feel bad, and then you'll quit, and then you'll say, saving doesn't work for me. No, saving without intention doesn't work. Start small. 3 money jobs max. Don't overthink it. Adjust every month. This habit teaches you control without restriction, and that's how adults with calm money energy think.
Habit number 3. Delay purchases by 24 hours. The anti-impulse rule. Let me describe a situation. You're stressed. School is heavy. Life feels boring. You scroll. You see something. Shoes, headphones, game skin, online course. Your brain says, I deserve this. And listen, sometimes you do, but most of the time, it's emotional spending. So the tiny habit, wait 24 hours before any non-essential purchase. No exceptions. Put it in your notes. Want list. Revisit tomorrow. Here's the magic. About 70% of wants disappear overnight. Not because you're cheap, because the emotion passes. This habit alone can save you thousands over years. Not by force, by clarity. Emotional pause. Think about how many things you've bought that didn't actually change your life. Yeah, me too. Habit number 4. Learn money in 10-minute bites, not motivation bursts. Most people get motivated about money once every few months. They watch 3 videos, read 2 threads, and feel inspired. Then do nothing. Motivation fades, habits stay. So here's the tiny habit. 10 minutes of financial learning twice a week. That's it. Not daily, not intense, just consistent. What to learn, how credit works, why debt is dangerous, how investing actually grows, basic taxes, income versus wealth, one concept at a time. Save videos, rewatch, pause, take one note. Financial literacy isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing enough to avoid stupid mistakes. And avoiding mistakes is how wealth actually starts. Habit number 5. Respect credit before you use it. This one is huge. Credit cards aren't evil, but ignorance is expensive. Tiny habit: treat credit like borrowed time, not free money. If you don't understand interest, minimum payments, or credit score impact, don't use it yet. There's no shame in waiting. Smart people delay access until understanding catches up. Learn this early and you avoid years of stress, debt cycles, and regret purchases. Credit should build your future, not steal it. Habit number 6. Increase income skills before obsessing over saving. This might surprise you. Saving is important, but income matters more at your age. Tiny habit: spend time learning skills that pay. Examples: writing, editing, coding, design, video, marketing. Not to get rich, to get leverage. Even an extra $100 a month changes confidence, options, mindset. You don't need a perfect plan. You need movement. Habit number 7. Stop comparing your money journey. This one hurts. You see people your age traveling, buying stuff, flexing success, and you think, I'm behind. Let me tell you something real. Most flexes are financed. Debt, pressure, stress. Tiny habit: compare yourself only to past you. Progress isn't loud, but it's powerful. If you're learning now, you're already winning. Habit number 8. Build an identity around being good with money. Last one, and this ties everything together. Tiny habit: tell yourself, I'm learning how money works. Not, I'm broke, I'm bad with money, I'll never be rich. Your identity drives behavior. When you see yourself as someone who pauses before spending, learns consistently, thinks long-term, your actions follow. Money becomes calm, not stressful, not scary, just a tool. Final summary. Let's recap fast. 1. Track one number daily. 2. Give every dollar a job. 3. Wait 24 hours before buying. 4. Learn money in tiny bites. 5. Respect credit early. 6. Build income skills. 7. Stop comparing. 8. Build the identity. You don't need to do all of these today. Pick one. Start tonight. Financial literacy isn't a talent, it's a habit stack. And if you build this now, future you will be quietly grateful. If this helped you even a little, save it, rewatch it, share it with a friend who needs it. Let's level up together.